Hey everyone, Mark's here. We all know that feeling. You're scrolling through Amazon, looking for that product, and then you see it, a video review. But not just any video, a really well-made one. It instantly grabs your attention, right? Today we're diving into the top tools and equipment you need to create professional Amazon review videos that stand out from the crowd and up your review game. Let's get started. First up, let's talk cameras. Now, you don't need a crazy expensive cinema setup to make great review videos, but image quality is key. A good camera, even a mirrorless or a higher-end point-and-shoot, can make a world of difference. Think about it. You want viewers to see the product clearly, notice the details, the texture, everything. A crisp, high-resolution image just looks so much more professional and trustworthy, and that's what we're going for. You can even use your smartphone if it has a decent camera. Just make sure you're shooting in good lighting, but more on that later. Look, the point is, invest in the best camera you can reasonably afford. It'll elevate your videos to the next level. Trust me, your viewers will notice the difference. Okay, lighting. This is huge, and honestly, it's often overlooked. Good lighting can make or break your video. Natural light is fantastic if you can get it. Set up near a window and let that soft, diffused light work its magic. But if you're filming in a less than ideal setting, or you want more control, you gotta get yourself some lighting equipment. There are tons of options out there, from ring lights to softboxes to LED panels. You don't need to go crazy expensive, just find something that provides even flattering light. Trust me, good lighting will make your videos look so much more professional and your product will really pop. Plus, it just makes everything easier to see, which is, kind of important in a review video. Alright, we've got the visuals down, now let's talk audio. Audio is often the unsung hero of any video production. While stunning visuals can capture attention, it's the audio that keeps viewers engaged. Imagine watching a beautifully shot film with muffled dialogue or distracting background noise. It would be frustrating, right? That's why getting your audio right is crucial. Just like with the camera, you don't need a top-of-the-line studio mic, but you want something better than your built-in camera mic. Built-in mics are convenient, but they often pick up a lot of ambient noise and don't capture the richness of your voice. Investing in a decent microphone can make a world of difference. Viewers need to be able to hear you clearly. Clear audio helps convey your message effectively and keeps your audience engaged. When your voice is crisp and clear, it adds a layer of professionalism to your content. People are more likely to stick around and listen to what you have to say. A good microphone will pick up your voice clearly, reduce background noise, and just make the whole listening experience so much better. Background noise can be incredibly distracting. Whether it's the hum of an air conditioner, traffic outside, or even the rustling of papers, these sounds can pull your viewers' attention away from your message. A quality microphone helps minimize these distractions. Think about it. If your audio is muffled or there's a lot of echo, people are going to click away. Poor audio quality can be a deal breaker for many viewers. In today's fast-paced digital world, people have short attention spans. If they can't hear you clearly, they'll quickly move on to another video. Don't let bad audio be the reason you lose viewers. There are a bunch of great USB mics out there that are super easy to use and won't break the bank. USB microphones are a fantastic option for beginners and seasoned creators alike. They're plug and play, meaning you can simply connect them to your computer and start recording. No need for complicated setups or additional equipment. Plus, they come in a range of prices, so you can find one that fits your budget. You can even use a lavalier mic if you want something more discreet. Lavalier mics, also known as lapel mics, are small and can be clipped onto your clothing. They're great for interviews, presentations, or any situation where you want the microphone to be less visible. Despite their small size, they can deliver excellent audio quality. The point is, prioritize clear, high-quality audio. Good audio can elevate your content and make it more enjoyable for your audience. It shows that you care about the viewer's experience and are willing to put in the effort to deliver the best possible content. Whether you're recording a podcast, a YouTube video, or a professional presentation, clear audio is key. It makes a bigger difference than you might think. The difference between using a built-in mic and a professional microphone can be night and day. With a professional mic, your voice sounds fuller, more natural, and free from unwanted noise. It's a small investment that can have a big impact on the quality of your content, so don't forget the mic. Your audience will thank you for it. Now let's talk stability. Shaky footage is distracting and unprofessional. No one wants to watch a video that makes them feel seasick. A tripod is a must-have for keeping your shots steady and smooth. You can get away with propping your phone or camera on a stack of books, but a tripod just gives you so much more control and flexibility. Plus, it frees up your hands to demonstrate the product or use gestures, which can make your videos more engaging. There are tons of tripods out there at different price points, so find one that fits your budget and your needs. Trust me, a tripod is a worthwhile investment for any aspiring video creator. Let's talk backgrounds. Now, you don't need a fancy studio to create visually interesting videos. A green screen can be your secret weapon. It lets you transport yourself to different locations, add cool effects, or just keep the focus on you and the product. All you need is a green screen. You can find them online or at camera stores, some basic lighting, and video editing software that supports chroma keying, which most do. With a little creativity, a green screen can really elevate your videos and make them stand out. Alright, you've shot your footage, now it's time to edit it all together. This is where you take your raw footage and turn it into a polished, engaging video. There are tons of video editing software options out there, from free programs like iMovie to professional-grade software like Adobe Premiere Pro. You don't need to be a professional editor to create great videos. Most editing software is pretty intuitive these days. You can use it to cut out unnecessary footage, add transitions, adjust the audio, and add text and graphics. Take some time to learn the basics of video editing, and you'll be amazed at what you can create. Now let's talk about your computer. Video editing can be pretty demanding on your system, especially if you're working with high-resolution footage. A powerful computer will make the editing process so much smoother and faster. Look for a computer with a fast processor, plenty of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card if you can. This will help prevent lag, crashes, and those frustrating moments when you're waiting for your computer to catch up. Trust me, a good computer is a worthwhile investment for any serious video creator. Here's a pro tip. Always have extra batteries and memory cards on hand. There's nothing worse than being in the middle of filming and having your battery die or your memory card fill up. It's always better to be over-prepared than to have to stop filming because you ran out of juice or storage space. Keep those spares handy, and you'll be good to go. Now, let's talk about delivery. You don't want to sound like you're reading from a script, but having some notes or bullet points can help you stay on track and deliver your message clearly. You can use a teleprompter if you want, but even just having some key points jotted down can make a big difference. The key is to practice and find a delivery style that feels natural and engaging. Be yourself, let your personality shine through, and don't be afraid to have some fun with it. Finally, let's talk about props. Props can be a great way to make your videos more visually interesting and engaging. They can help you demonstrate the product, add some personality to your videos, and just make them more fun to watch. You don't need to go overboard with props, but a few well-chosen items can really elevate your videos. Think about what would make sense for the product you're reviewing and what would resonate with your audience. Get creative and have some fun with it. So there you have it, the essential tools and equipment you need to create professional-looking Amazon review videos. Remember, you don't need to break the bank to get started. Start with the basics and gradually upgrade your gear as you go. The most important thing is to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite tools for video creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.